this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something fancy out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Sugakiya Kamatoku Kanshu Totori Gold Gyukotsu Ramen. So, it's beefy. That's basically, it's like fancy beef ramen. How you doing? It is July 3rd, 2023. Tomorrow is the big day. I'm going to take the kids to go see the fireworks, and that should be fun. It should be. It will be. And that, and non-fried noodle block, and 4 minutes, and we're rolling. I got a late start today. It's already almost 11 a.m., but that's okay. Put that there. So, yeah, I did a bunch of walking yesterday with the kids. They seem to have a good time, and yeah, it's Monday, and so tomorrow is Tuesday and the 4th of July. So yeah. So wait. Yeah. So, gonna do my reviewing. I don't know, I don't really feel like doing it. I ate a bunch of bad stuff last night. So my wife's out of town. It makes me feel better, then it makes me feel worse. Yeah. But, whatever. I will recoup the goodness today. As is. Oh, I still have this left. Look at this thing. Yeah, it looks like a Decepticon, honestly. Inferno. It says Watermelon Warlord. I don't know what's different about this. I feel a little extra crazed. Increased concentration. So there's that. Yeah. Totally behind schedule today. I think I woke up like it when my 8 a.m. alarm went off. That's like kind of unheard of for me. I usually get up bright and early, but I guess I needed to sleep. So I did. The background, the children are doing artwork this morning. That's pretty cool. Doing the arty art. So that's cool. As long as it's staying on the paper, and I think it is. So that's good. I'm gonna make pizza tonight. I haven't done that in a long time. At least that's the plan. I think it's gonna come to fruition. I don't know why I wouldn't. That's how you make a mess, though. It uses a lot of dishes and stuff, but the only recipe I know how to make pizza dough with is like huge, and I guess I can just split it in half. There's no reason why I can't split it in half. Usually it's like 4 cups of water, or 4 cups of flour and all this stuff. I'll just split it in half. But I just make the dough in the bread machine and then roll it out. I've got deep dish pans I'll use. That'll be more than enough. I don't know. I don't really feel like eating pizza. I guess I don't have to. But yeah, I'll make some kind of pizza. Maybe I'll make some my Kawali black curry pizza. That sounds kind of good. A black curry pizza. Could put some shrimp or fish ball on it. The next one I'm doing today is going to be seafood delicious. I'm excited about that. This is a beef ramen. I mean, you don't see those come across my desk too much. They're okay. I could have made softy eggs, but I never got around to it. So maybe that'll happen at some point soon. I don't know. I go in fits and starts with the eggs. Sometimes I'm like all about making the eggs, and sometimes I'm not. Get anything else out of there? That's about what we're looking at. And then we got this one. Yeah. A little bit of veg. So we will. There's a slice of chashu in here that's going to need to come out. The chashu they usually put with ramen bowls is really lacking. I'm not a big fan of it. This is supposed to be a non-fried noodle. Give that a try. Cheers. Oh wow. That certainly is beefy, folks. Holy crap. You know what that makes me think? Whoa. It tastes like somebody put some Montreal steak seasoning on some ground beef and made soup out of it. Holy crap. It's like really greasy, beefy stuff. It's like if you just took if you just like fried up some beef or ground beef, like really fatty ground beef, and didn't like drain off any of the fat. Whoa. That honestly isn't something that appeals to me either, so yeah. If you really like beef flavor though, this will definitely not just float your boat, but yeah, I think the cholesterol level in this might be exceedingly high. Wow. I'm stunned. That is really the beefiest thing I've ever had in soup form, I gotta say. It's a lot. Whoa. Some shichimi. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not even using my own chashu. I'm just gonna use theirs. I'm just trying to get through this stuff today. I got a lot I want to do. I want to do a bunch of cleaning. I want to clean the bathrooms. Have you ever heard a guy say, I want to clean the bathrooms? Yeah. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is a US GS Retail Premium variety. This is supposed to be like an extra spicy jambong, and I got a lot of seafood that I can slap in it, and that's what I'm going to do. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Have a good one, and bye!